XRP people say that Ripple, the company that made the first cryptocurrency, did well in the first 2 weeks of 2023. Their token is now worth 40 cents, up from 33 cents on January 1st. This is a gain of over 14%. But this rally hasn't even come close to making up for the 59% price drop in 2022. According to data from CoinGlass, the number of open XRP futures contracts has gone down by 1.4% in the last day and a half. During the same time period, this token was sold for $2.61 million. The most important thing that will affect the price of XRP is the legal battle against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple's General Counsel Stuart Alder, thinks a decision will be made in the first half of 2023, which could be in Ripple's favor despite price changes. XRP has been a good choice for many investors and traders, and the number of financial institutions that use it has been growing. According to a report from CoinShares, investors are sure that Ripple's will win this important deal. This is because XRP investment products have had steady flows of money for 3 weeks in a row. In other news, David Schwartz, the CTO of Ripple, went on Twitter to offer former employees of the struggling cryptocurrency exchange FTX a job at Ripple. However, this offer only applies to employees who did not work in compliance finance or business ethics. On the business side, Ripple has shown important new information about European expansion. The company told Lemon Way in Paris and X-Bot in Sweden about its progress. Now, businesses in France and Sweden can use Ripple's on-demand liquidity Audible. On November 15th, Ripple announced that it would be working with MFS Africa, a leading fintech company with the largest pool of mobile money on the continent. This joint venture wants to make it easier for people in 35 countries to pay with their phones. XRP at press time was trading at 34 cents, which was a 4% drop. In the last 7 days, its market value has been $17.11 billion, and $404 million has been traded in a single day. XRP people say that Ripple, the company that made the first cryptocurrency, did well in the first weeks of 2023. The price of the token went down from 33 cents to 40 cents on January 1st. At press time, the price had gone up by more than 14%, but this rally hasn't even come close to making up for the 59% price increase in 2022. In 2004, the idea for Ripple had came up, even though it took a long time for cryptocurrency to become popular. Ripple didn't become a thing until 2011, when Jed McCaleb used blockchain technology to start making the XRP cryptocurrency. When XRP was officially released in 2012, banks and other financial institutions started to pay attention right away. XRP has become one of the best altcoins on the market over the past few years. Due to Ripple's, the banking industry has the potential to change. Many banks are now interested in how the Ripple network RippleNet can help make international payments quickly and cheaply. Since the widely used SWIFT network is no longer useful, RippleNet seems like the next logical step for the business world. The price of Ripple went up by more than 120% in just a few weeks in December 2017. This was the first bull run. This caused the price to go up to $3.84, which is still the highest it has ever been. The price went down right away in their eyes, and it kept going up until November 2020. If you look at the XRP price chart, you can see that the coin started to gain speed toward the end of 2020, when it went up by 184%, and then it went up by 795%. Notably, XRP hasn't been able to keep up this upward trend as the crypto market goes into bearish territory in 2022. It reached a high of $3.84 in January. XRP's price has gone down 88% to 43 cents per token now. In 2017, Ripple's deal with the Bank of Tokyo Mitsubishi was a big step forward. Then, in a short time, its market capitalization made it the second largest cryptocurrency. A year later, it was said that Ripple had again teamed up with the international banking group Santander Group to make an app for international transactions. Ripple almost doesn't have any competitors right now. They are the biggest cryptocurrency company that works with banks all over the world. XRP will get many benefits as the number of partnerships grows. After all, it is the currency for all cross-border transactions that RippleNet makes possible. Ripple has taken advantage of the need for fast transactions and the fact that emerging economies have a lot of potential that hasn't been used yet. As Latin America and Asia-Pacific countries become more aware of value chains, its blockchain tokens are worth more than their counterparts in the first world. This is because CBDCs, or central bank digital currencies, are becoming more popular. Developing countries that want to try this option will probably choose Ripple because it already has a well-known good cross-border framework. As CBDCs become more popular, banks will be more likely to think about adding cryptocurrency to their services. This will work great for Ripple because RippleNet is already connected to several banks. Ripple's central bank partners who want to join the CBDC can use the XRP ledger with a private sidechain as one of the blockchain solutions. During the forecast period, Ripple is expected to grow because it can be used for many things, like accounting, investing, smart contracts, putting smart contracts into action, and decentralized programming. Due to its low cost of production, XRP has an advantage over its competitors. The fact that a few dollars can buy dozens of XRP is attractive to new investors, especially those who like to make small investments. A report says that by 2030, the market for cryptocurrencies will be worth $4.94 trillion. Growth rate of 12.8% per year. Several crypto companies, such as Ripple, will benefit from this. The crypto market is growing because more and more people want their financial payment systems to be efficient and clear, and more people in developing countries want to send money back home. The general idea is that more financial institutions will use RippleNet, which will make the platform and its native token more well-known. This was also taken into account when making projections for 2025 and beyond. The best long-term investors in the crypto market are those who buy cryptocurrencies that have real-world uses. XRP has it because the Ripple network is a good alternative to the current payment systems that is also more appealing. Most banks in the developed world still use the SWIFT network, so XRP can fill a gap in the market. First, a cross-border transaction using RippleNet takes an average of just 5 seconds. On the other hand, a quick transfer takes 30 minutes on average, but it can sometimes take up to 24 hours. With the way economies work today, moving to the Ripple network will make sense for most people. Ripple is also great when it comes to transaction fees, as each one only costs 0.00001 XRP. This is a fraction of a cent with a low cost that doesn't change much even if the XRP price is 10 times what it's worth. Again, this is much cheaper than making international payments through the SWIFT network, which can charge up to a 3% conversion fee. The role of the XRP in this payment system is to act as a bridge currency, which makes foreign exchange transactions cheaper. If a bank wants to turn $2 into euros, it can use the dollars to buy XRP and then use the XRP to buy euros, skipping the conversion fee. When you add in how quickly RippleNet works, it's easy to see why this cryptocurrency is so popular. If Ripple can get past the lawsuit and start growing again, more banks will probably start using the Ripple network. If that happens, our XRP price prediction says that by the end of 2023, the coin could be worth $3. XRP may be one of the most undervalued cryptocurrencies on the market right now, based on the information given. Many analysts agree with this assessment, since RippleNet already has a lot of important partners, even though the company has some legal problems. Ripple's website says that hundreds of companies in more than 55 countries use the network. Some of these companies are well known, like Itaú Unibanco and Santander Bank of America. This gives XRP a lot of credibility in the end, and it could lead to more partnerships in the future. Do tell us what you think in the comments below, and if you want to stay up to date, be sure to click the button to sign up.